friends, welcome to my channel. So today I will show you modern shoe storage design idea. So keep watching this video until the end, and if you're new to my channel then please don't forget to subscribe it. And I wish you all the best and have a wonderful day. Shoe rack ideas. Whether you have a magnificent shoe collection or simply a great deal of fit in your house, a shoe organizer option is essential to keep them all under control. Shoe racks can be found in great deals of shapes and sizes. Thus, it depends on the number of shoes and exactly what type of space you have. It is undoubtedly important for all of your shoes to be organized. Not only does keeping them in one central location keep your house or apartment clean and tidy, doing so will ensure you can find any pair you need at a moment of notice. Everyone knows that shoe collection can easily get out of hand, especially if you have a large family. There are many shoe racks idea available for you to select. Everything from do-it-yourself shoe racks to customized shoe cabinets. Whichever shoe storage idea you choose, consider not only their functionality but also their home decor wow factor. Whether you have owned only a few pairs or you are a passionate shoe collector, there is always a creative and smart way to store and organize your shoes, no matter your space or style preferences. It is important when you have purchased a number of very expensive shoes and due to improper storage they get damaged. Not only that, the most beautiful of your heels should be not be hidden from view but rather displayed in innovative way and with pride. The vast amount of different storage options is an excellent opportunity to show off your personal taste and interior design skill. No matter which room you decide to store your casual or dress shoes in, seriously consider at least one of these shoe storing solution ideas. If you are looking for entryway shoe storage idea that move your shoes off the floor and onto the wall, then these multi-layered racks are a great option. With wide and sturdy industrial style racks, every shoe is visible and securely in place. This modern shoe display is not only highly functional but looks great in any contemporary entryways. If you are really passionate about shoes and have a lot of pairs, or if you are simply have a large family, you might want to invest space in a large shoe storage area with lot of shelves. You can have a built-in storage space that cover a large portion of the wall. It would be great for storing your shoes and your guest shoes as well. Every home needs a place for everyone's shoes, and customized shoe cabinets is the best way to keep them hidden. Most of us place our shoes near the front door, so it is only sensible to have a shoe cabinets at your home's entryway. When deciding on the design for your shoe cabinets, factor in the fact that you will need to put on your shoes at the entryway too. So make it easier for yourself by including a seating area with your shoe cabinet so that you can sit down to put on and off your shoes. Most people will design the sitting area to be on one side while the shoe cabinets is placed on the other side from ceiling to the floor. You can leave the background of the sitting area plain, install hooks to hang bags and coats, or simply place a mirror there. Another way is to enclose the sitting area with your shoe cabinets by having cupboards surrounding it. When thinking of entryway shoe storage ideas that also functions as display shelving, this sturdy and well-crafted shelf is a great option. With a lovely wooden design, this piece will integrate well into any home that has hardwood floors, exposed timber beams or other wooden furniture. Flowers or plants on the top shelf go well with these naturally colored shelves. The miniature cubby shoe organizer is one of the best all-around multi-purpose storage solution for your shoes. The greatest advantage of this model is to offer enough room in each unit to comfortably fit at least two pair of shoes. Many people purchase this option if they think the amount of shoes they own or need available may change over the time, and they might need to store other things instant. But the biggest disadvantages to this model is to take up both a floor and shelf space. If you have plenty of room to spare for your shoes, maybe this option for you then. It is every girl's dream to have a massive walk-in closet that has ample room for all of her shoes. If you have the shoes, space and budget to implement this design, you will be impressed. The similar dimension across each of the shelves will also allow to organize your shoes collection in innovative ways. Unfortunately, these shoe shelves can reach very high up. So you will need to get a stool if you want to reach the shoes on the upper level. While these painted wood shelves look stunning, they come with an obligation of frequent maintenance. Shoe organizer is the very best choice of shoe storage ideas in little place. Wall mounted display screen storage fits well into a small area. Hanging tension rod shoe racks are creative, keeping space to avoid harming the wall. For example, this is a do it yourself shoe storage that can be quickly installed in your house. A shoe rack is vital for your daily activities. It stores your shoes well by maintaining the material well. Moreover, it organizes the way you choose the best style to apply in everyday life. Wooden cabinets. Keep it stylish and in theme with wooden shoe cabinets. Wood is one of the material that give off a rustic look to a home. But with the right color, it can easily be classified as a modern look. Take a look of these modern cabinets that complement the walls and bright painting. Because of its elegance, you would not think that it was a place where you store your shoes. I hope this video will help you to choose the best shoe organizer design idea for your home. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel to see future videos. And thanks for watching this video and have a wonderful day.